dates can sometimes present a different kind of challenge. This can be especially true if some of the files are made in systems with regional settings of month, date, and year, and you are working on a system which has regional settings of date, month, and year. I stumbled upon one such file which was made in a system with different regional settings. I tried applying all kinds of date formatting, but to no avail. Then finally, I used a set of formulas to resolve the date conflict. Let me show you a small extract of the file and the formulas that I used to convert the dates in the desired format. Let's look at this data. Now the first three rows indicate these dates to be from December 1996 and the dates are 26, 28 and 29. The next three rows are the ones which are interesting. These were recognized as date by my system, but as 1st January, 1st February and 1st March, whereas there are 1st, 2nd and 3rd of January 1997. Now I'm showing you just a small sample. The original data contained around 90,000 such dates, and I can't correct so many dates manually. I tried changing the date format and nothing happened. I selected all these dates, went to number format and applied the date format, yet nothing happened. So I wrote a few formulas to sort this out. The first step was to bring both the dates in the same format so that I can perform some common operations on them. The first three dates have forward slashes and the next three have hyphen. I decided that I will retain the forward slash format. So I wrote a simple if statement. For the logical test, I used the find function. Find. I search for the text forward slash in the date. And if the value was greater than 1, that means there was a forward slash in the date, then I just return the date as it is. Now to address the second type of date, that is the one with hyphens, I use the text function. I use this function as Excel with my regional settings was still recognizing them as dates, although the date and month were jumbled. So I wrapped the if statement with an if error. As find will return an error if the forward slash was missing. And for value if error, I created a date by using the text function and forward slash. I started by extracting the day first. Text. Value is the date in the cell A2. And for format, text dd in quotes, followed by ampersand and forward slash in quotes. Another ampersand, then text A2, and for the format text, in quotes, followed by ampersand and forward slash in quotes, another ampersand, then text A2, and for the format text, yyyy in quotes. Once this was ready, it was easy from here on. I split the parts of the dates using the text split function. The first parameter is text and we have the date in B2. The separator is forward slash in quotes. Close the bracket and we have the date split into three parts. Let's copy it to the rows below. Now the split data is in the order of months followed by day and the year. The third step was to recreate the date using the date function. Date. For the year I provided the reference of cell E2. For month I provided the reference of the cell C2. And finally for day, cell D2. The correct date is ready. Copy it to all other cells and we get the correct date across both formats. So that's how in few minutes I corrected close to 90,000 dates. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Analytics Success, for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.